Hi guys, back with Bassingtons. I hope you're well. I hope you're all keeping safe. In a recent vlog, I predicted that Tudor would launch a new Pelagus, and for the second time, I have got this incorrect. Earlier in the year, I said they would launch a new Pelagus. They didn't. And again, I said they'd launch a new Pelagus, and they haven't. Instead, this time, they have launched a new Ranger. But a viewer has contacted me and he's managed to obtain one of these watches, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So without further ado, we shall switch over. And here we are. It comes in the usual Tudor box. I think the Tudor boxes are better than Rolex, but we're not here to discuss the box. We're here to discuss the watch. And here it is, the new Tudor Ranger. What I'll do is I'll just remove some of the stickering. We'll keep that between ourselves, won't let the viewer know. And I'll take with the stickering off here as well, so we can get a better view of it. There we go. But as I say, we keep that between ourselves. I think this watch is absolutely stunning. It's had sort of mixed reviews from the guys and girls on YouTube. A lot of people say it's very boring and unimaginative, but I love the simplicity of this watch. I think it is going to be a timeless classic. It's a 3-hand dial, it's 39 millimeters, it's brushed steel all the way around. It actually doesn't have the faux rivets on the side of this watch, which I think, you know, is a plus side. It has the new Tudor clasp on it, very, very, very Rolex-esque to say the least. Very solidly built, screw down crown. It has 100 meters of water resistance, and also it has a COSC certified in-house movement. Now, the pierce resistance of this watch it is priced at £2,420, and I think that is a bit of a bargain. It is the cheapest Tudor with an in-house movement. And I also like the size, the dimensions of this at 39 millimeters. You know, this is the equivalent of the Rolex Explorer. And we all know what happened to the Rolex Explorer. Rolex downsized it to 36 millimeters, and I don't think it is as good as the 39 millimeter. So when you compare it to the Rolex Explorer, say the Omega RAILMASTer, the IWC Le Petit Prince, I think this is a bit of a bargain. You know, let's face facts, the IWC has a Solita-based movement in it. This has an in-house movement in it, and the IWC is considerably dearer. It has had mixed reviews. The only criticism I would say, I would like to have seen applied indices, you know, the Fotina. I don't dislike it. I wouldn't say I like it. It would be nice if it had been in white rather than the Fotina. But overall, I think this is a stunning watch at an incredible price point. Again, yet again, I think Tudor have knocked it out the park. And I keep saying this, if you are spending around about the £3,000 mark on a luxury watch, look no further than Tudor. Stay safe and stay tuned.